Thinking about a new roof or skylight replacement here in Rhode Island? Let me show you why Skyview Exteriors is the trusted name homeowners count on. We're a family-owned roofing and exterior company right here in Rhode Island, with over 245-star Google reviews from happy customers. Whether it's a full roof replacement, repairing storm damage, or upgrading your home with beautiful skylights, our team brings years of local experience to every project. On this project in Lincoln, Rhode Island, we replaced the entire roof and installed brand new energy-efficient skylights. Not only does it improve curb appeal, but it also protects the home for decades to come and brings in more natural light. That's the difference when you choose a company that cares about quality, craftsmanship, and doing the job right the first time. If you've been searching for a Rhode Island roofing contractor you can trust, Skyview Exteriors is the top choice for roofing, siding, skylights, and exterior remodeling. We take pride in treating your home like it's our own. So if your roof is ready for an upgrade, or you've been considering new skylights, reach out to Skyview Exteriors today. Discover why Rhode Island families continue to trust us for all their roofing and exterior needs. Call us or visit our website to schedule your free estimate today. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing before and after transformations.